Coffee's gone cold, I'm wondering why I got out of bed at all. The morning rain clouds up my window, and I can't see it all. Even if I could, it'll all be great. But your picture on my wall, it reminds me that it's not so bad, it's not so bad. I drank too much last night, got bills to pay.
Good morning. Welcome to the North Olympic Peninsula, Sequim and Port Angeles real estate update.
Woo woo!
Breaking news.
Amy and Brent.
Yeah. This is our podcast, not a podcast, what is it? Our YouTube channel.
You go through this every
I
week.
know.
It's
I know.
YouTube.
Podcast
It's a
just
YouTube
flows off the
blurb.
lips much easier. Yeah. Our intro today, which you just viewed, was the North Olympic Library, which is a part of North Olympic Library System. And it's a broad system. They get books from all over. So you can get pretty much any book you want if you're into reading
and
books.
You can hear them. You can rent videos.
Yeah.
You can
Just go in
computer
and
time.
use the computer if you don't have one. But
Stop it, Winnie.
yeah, so
Winnie and Berkey.
yeah, Winnie and Berkey, they are part of the show. They come cheap.
But persistent.
Can of dog food and throw the sphere a little bit.
We can't say the B-A-L-L word. Oh, see,
But
she knew it.
she knows how to spell. Like what?
She came with her head
Okay.
swiveled.
So we've had a great week this week. We've had contact with Jay and some
Craig
of our
and Marianne.
yeah, Craig and Marianne and Curtis. We have a place under contract with Curtis. These are some of you, our viewers, and if you are interested in moving to Port Angeles, or if you live here
or
and
Sequim.
Sequim, and
Sequim's a big draw.
yeah, Sequim's a big draw.
It gets more publicity.
Yeah, Port Angeles is really more for the view because we're on the hillside.
Are
You
we
get,
the ugly stepsister?
I don't know about that.
We're different.
Yeah, we're
It's
different.
different.
Two
It's
different
more of a
types
town.
communities. Apologize for the dogs. They just go for it.
Yes, I hope your dogs enjoy it too.
Okay, so what we do, we go through the homes this last week that have closed in the last 7 days, and we have
From
from
the least expensive to the most expensive.
yeah, and normally we start in Port Angeles, then move over to Sequim. We've had some discussion of just about
Well, we
grouping
can do it backwards today.
grouping them all together because that's we relate to the whole area. So if you want to subscribe or hit the like button, that helps us. And I still haven't figured out how, but it does.
Or comment.
Yeah, comment.
Any of those buttons
There's
down
a
there.
thanks button there. You can hit that if you want to support the channel. And oh yeah, you want to tell them about our new.
Oh, we get new mics on Monday. Hello. They're fuzzy. So that's for the wind. And we get a Monday.
Yeah. Oh, wireless. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. None
So,
of this stuff.
Yeah, no wires. So we've just started to do tour time again. We've done this in the past, and so not every week, but a lot of the weeks we'll tour showcase a particular home. Yeah, we're trying to upgrade, get a little more classy.
So the next house we're going to do is one of our listings on Bell Hill, and it hasn't sold, and we want it sold,
Yeah.
and the sellers want it sold. So
Yeah, so if
it
you're,
more.
it's
Sorry.
just a beautiful setting. What?
Nothing.
Oh. So it's on 5 acres. You've got an awesome view of the mountain. It's a very creative home, and it's kind of a unique layout. And if you want to check it out, you can go to Zillow or any of those.
Or just
we're
hold
gonna,
on.
Yeah,
We'll-
we're going to take you through it.
Yeah.
And since we have the wireless mics now, Amy's going to do the tour and have better sound. We've done it before. Last time, the sound, I don't know if you noticed, was a little jiggy, so it ends up being echoey.
Especially in empty homes,
Yeah.
it's hard to get a good sound.
So our new mics are furry. This is just foam, but they're a little bigger and they kind of clip right there. So You'll notice them.
Doo, doo, doo.
Okay, you want to get going?
Okay. Me first?
Yep.
Okay, this house is in Port Angela. We want to start with Sequim?
No, let's do
Okay.
Port Angeles.
Okay. This one is just between the bridges in Port Angeles on 503 West 4th Street. Listed at $335, and that's what it sold for. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 8 days on the market. Built in 1927, almost 100 years old. 951
Somebody
square
laid
feet
an egg.
on point 0.16. Jeez, lady. She's the dumb one.
No,
She's the dumb one.
yeah.
We open the door and she doesn't know where to go out, how to get. And then last night we let them out, and she didn't know how to go in.
So we get home and it's like dark 30, and she just standing in the yard in
Dark
front of the
30
door.
Being 5.
Well, 5 o'clock. Anyway, she
Anyway.
made it in. The next one is on 1114 West 16th Street. Originally priced at $369,000, sold for $342,500. That's $26,500 under asking. And anyway, it has 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, 37 days on the market, built in 1988, 960 square feet with 0.16 of an acre and a neighborhood view.
Okay. The next house is on Monroe Road, 780 Monroe. Listed for $425,000. Then it. What's with the noise this morning? It went for $10,000 over at $435. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 28 days on the market. Built in 1998 with 1,480 square feet on 2 acres and a mountain view.
Okay, next one is on Fours Road, 245 Fours Road. Listed for $849,000, sold for $839,000, $10,000 less. And this one has 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, 1 half bath, 46 days on the market, and built in 2005. And boy, a nice size place, 3,501 square feet on an acre, territorial view.
Cool. And the last house is out on Lake Sutherland, which is the party lake. It's 810 South Shore Road, originally listed for $1.2 million. It sold for $1,140,000. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 54 days on the market. Built in 1980 with 2,100 square feet and a little over 3/4 of an acre and a freshwater view.
Okay, moving on to Sequim. So just a quick survey on these 5. 1 over and 4 under. Price. Sales price. Okay, and Sequim we're on at 141 Madrona Terrace. Original price $399,000, sold for $370,000, 29 less. 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, 1 half bath, 16 days on the market. Built in 1978 with 1,518 square feet, 0.34 of an acre, and mountain view.
Okay, moving on to 409 South 5th Street. Listed for $439,000. It ended up selling for $430,000. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 20 days on the market. Built in 1992 with 1,440 square feet on a 0.15 of an acre and a territorial view.
Is that manufactured?
No, we only had 1 manufacturer.
No, okay. The next one is on 688 North Gascon Place. Originally priced at $539,500, sold for $524,500, 15 under. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 73 days on the market, built in 2024, 1,478 square feet and 0.11 square feet. Territorial looks like a new build.
0.11 acres.
Oh, I'm sorry. What is it? 0.11 square feet.
Not many.
It's a small lot.
Okay, and finishing up Sequim and the tours for today, or the list, on 117 Williams Place, which I don't know where that is exactly. listed for $615,000. It ended up selling for $583,500. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 51 days on the market. Built in 1989 with 2,105 square feet on a fifth of an acre. And it's on a golf course, so that one's probably Sunland.
Yeah.
And Logan's going to be doing a Sunland tour here shortly, next week, huh? Yeah. Well, he'll do his opening. Will be Sunland. Okay.
So quick summary on the weather up here, because that seems to be a question. So we still get questions about we have 3 of these vacation rentals, which are lovely, and love to have you come and stay sometime. But a lot of times people still ask, do you have air conditioning, especially if you're from Georgia, Arizona, Texas? And for a long time, we didn't have anything, and so we said, yes, we do. We have
210.
210, yeah. And they would look at us, then we'd explain it. I mean, it's 2 windows open, a 10-mile-an-hour breeze, and that would do it. So really in Port Angeles, Winnie, nope, stop it. There's really only about a week, maybe 2 weeks, where the heat is oppressive. And by that, in our mindset, that's anything over 75.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I grew up in Medford, Oregon, and all summer it was by 9 in the morning, it was over 90 every day for like 3 months. So it was dry heat anyway. But anyway, so you don't really need you don't really need air conditioners. But in our vacation rentals, we now have ductless heat pumps, which both cool and heat. So
cool.
Yeah.
And I think that has really caught on here. And they even have rebate programs for it because it's so energy efficient. Then the city or the county can then sell our excess energy to California.
Yeah,
if they give us the rebates.
We're not sure how that works.
Yeah.
But we've been here 15 years, is it now?
Yeah, I think so.
About 15 years. And the weather is all over the place. So some summers are wonderful, hardly any rain. Some summers it just rains periodically. Some winters we get a lot of snow.
Atmospheric river right now.
And there's Logan advises, my producer advises, there's an atmospheric river.
He's in touch with the river.
All these
water.
terms, we had a hurricane bomb, which never really seemed to explode for a while back. But this winter has been very warm. It's not frozen at all.
Yeah, it's pretty much low 40s, high in the mid 50s.
We've had some winters that never froze all winter. Not a lot, 2 or 3 in those 15 years. And sometimes they're wet, sometimes they're dry. It's the 4th of July. We've had snow, not 4th of July, but 4th, yeah. Thanksgiving was that holiday. We had snow one year on Thanksgiving. So anyway, it's all over the place. Most of the time, pretty nice.
People bike year round.
Yeah,
pretty much.
Yeah, I ride my bike.
Brent actually had a bike with snow tires. At one point.
It made quite a racket when it was dry.
Studded tires.
Yeah, they were like $80 a tire. That was
gee.
like holy cow. But
Anyway.
I rode my bike all through, and that was a snowy winter. I mean, it was
Yeah,
great.
I know.
I could bank and everything.
Well, he had to ride for a mile, wasn't it? To the office.
Are you making fun of my?
Just a
I didn't
little.
have to ride far, but I rode to work that winter.
It made a statement to the town.
Yeah. So it was
I'm
pretty
here,
cool. I had
I'm
ski
bad.
goggles and. Anyway, we're done for today, and thanks for watching.
Hope your new
And,
year.
yeah.
This is a new year coming up.
Yeah, we're well on our way to our next milestone of
Oh yeah, Logan's got a new project.
of 800 subscribers.
Logan, our leathersmith.
Yeah, turn around, let them see the stitching.
Stitching.
That's Yeah, this is Logan's new.
Sheath for his little pocket knife.
Yeah, there it is. That's
Okay.
Logan's hand.
Show him how it comes out. Those are good-looking hands, aren't
We
they?
have an automated camera here. Yeah, this is. If you haven't noticed, we're kind of low budget. But anyway, thanks for watching.
So if you need a sheath for your
yeah,
sword.
that could be our next
Yeah.
our next giveaway. Every time we we hit another 100, then we have a freebie giveaway.
Something
And,
we've created.
Yeah, did we mention that our last one got a Christmas box from whoever received it? Not that you need to do that, but that was very sweet from Happy in Hawaii.
Right.
Anyway, have a
Here.
great week.
Rodney. That was Rodney.
Yeah. Hey, Rodney, still enjoying those macadamia nuts. So have a great week. We'll see you in 7 days.
Bye.